Hello everyone, whoever comes to Poncham, you should not miss this place. This is the park which is dedicated to Siem Rishan and Mae Tom Phi. And you know what? The man who sponsored this park is with me. This is the mini museum of Poncham, dedicated to Rishan and Mae Tom Phi. Whoever comes to this place, you should really visit this place. Oh, this is okay. The stand, the pedestal is made of wood, and this is, of course, cement. But they are the legendary figures. They have a household name in Poncham, and in all the Tangkhul community, their names are well known because they have a love story which is similar to that of Romeo and Juliet. The difference is that their romantic story, their romantic life is based on real life. It's cool, right? It's cool. Cool to entertain ourselves with romantic stories at times. Nishina VVD가 ki VVD야. Team chả lá cái gì rồi. Là kiểm tra chân đấy. Ini là cơ mi đây. Ini là video ko.
Video
Cơ bay rồi. Này là cái Mios green sweater sampai. I'm very glad that you have come back to the park which you have dedicated to the Poncham people.
Yeah.
What is your feeling right now?
I'm feeling very emotional.
Very emotional.
Because when I was Honorable Deputy Speaker,
Okay,
they approached me
okay,
for setting up of this Mae Tom Phi and Siem Rishan Park,
okay.
and I could extend a little bit of help.
That's very kind of you.
Yeah, now it is coming up in such a way that people are loving to come here every now and then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. And then one thing, when it comes to Mae Tom Phi and Siem Rishan, the whole story is being known by the whole Ukhrul. So it's kind of you reaching out to the whole Tangkhul community. But in general, what is your positive point towards them?
My positive point is, to the younger generation, I wanted to give message that our forefathers were not less than anybody.
That's
They were, they excelled in every field, in the form of arts and also in appearance. They were so beautiful, so handsome, and they were so talented.
Yeah,
So all these things we have to realize that our forefathers were ahead of anyone of their time.
okay.
So our younger generation should look up to them and strive for the better position in every field,
Okay.
even in arts and culture. And we should know our origin. So Mae Tom Phi and this Siem Rishan, these folk tales,
Yeah, it's a main factor.
it is very famous in Tangkhul as well as in Manipur. So this we have to popularize
That's true.
in the form of motion picture or in the form of like this park, which is historically proof that they were together in this location.
Okay.
So we have to prove that, and we have to popularize this park.
Yes, thank you so much for promoting our culture and then trying to exhibit to the world that Tangkhuls are unique and we have our own history and culture. Thank you
So
much,
unique, so
Yeah,
unique.
so unique.
We should preserve it.
Thank you, sir. So this is the man behind this park who dedicated this Siem Rishan and Mae Tom Phi's park for us younger generations, so that we won't forget our folk tales and folklores. Yeah, let us enjoy the show and the view. Remembrance of Mae Tom Phi. I'm drinking this. Yeah, in remembrance of Mae Tom Phi. This is really a lovely place. You guys should make some effort to visit this legendary spot. Kidding. You should come and enjoy yourself with a lovely environment. And then see the sky so blue, and then the oak tree which is beautifying them, and of course I'm here.
David Lee so nana thawne mi gahai ji Goliath na sashmit miaure da sai kha barmane ro ji da sa da I thongui le ge sia kale thomli yang mi ga pa ya yang mi ga shapa nganau ga the ya rawa ga sa tala nana ngjon mi li sit ka bai sa ga sa ne aru yan nga so da ram nau bing ne thomli ki ga athera mi mangi gi sai go re wang le ning sia re sa ma tha khawai ning ma thing khawai le nga sang sa bi lo ning si ilung sai ko ru mi rin aru ga phung hi li I thum na o ja bi so ling so da phung ja mu li da phani di ling so da na bang lo sang mi da kle pui mi khawai ti si mu ni sa san amen. Thank you.